Today I am here to conduct shop talk on methods of taper turning. And my name is Abishek Gonal. I am from CP01 course, D1A section, Dharwad Training Center. Taper. A taper may be defined as a uniform increase or decrease in a diameter of a piece of work measured along its length. In a lathe, taper turning means to produce a conical surface by gradual reduction in a diameter from a cylindrical workpiece. Taper elements. A taper piece. A taper piece may be designated by the following symbols. Means uh, the greater D means large diameter of taper in mm. Small d means small diameter of a taper in mm. L means length of a taper part in mm. 2 alpha means full taper angle and alpha means angle of a taper or half taper angle. A taper may be turned by any one of the following methods. First one, by a board nose form tool. Second one, by setting over the tailstock center. Third one, by swiveling the compound rest. Fourth one, by a taper turning attachment. Fifth one is by combining longitudinal and cross feed in a special lathe. Taper turning by a form tool. A board nose tool having straight cutting edge is set to the work at a half taper angle and is feed straight into the work to generate a tapered surface. In this method, the tool angle should be properly checked before use. This will require excuse cutting pressure, which may distort the work due to vibration and spoil the work surface. This method is limited to turn short length of a taper only. Taper turning by shielding the compound rest method. This method employs the principle of turning taper by rotating the workpiece on the lathe axis and feeding the tool at angle to the axis of rotation of the workpiece. The tool mounted on the compound rest is attached to a circular base graduated in degree, which may be swiveled and clamped at any desired angle. This method is limited to turn a short taper owing the limited movement of the compound rest. By setting over the tailstock center method. In this method, the axis of rotation of the job is tilted at the required taper angle, while the tool is fed parallelly to the actual lathe axis. The tilting of the job to the taper angle is achieved by the movement of the tailstock on its fixed base by the tailstock set over screw. Taper turning by taper attachment method. The principle of taper turning by taper attachment is guide the tool in a straight path set an angle to the axis of rotation of the workpiece while the work being revolved between center or by a chuck aligned to the lathe axis. A taper turning attachment consists essentially of a bracket or frame which is attached to the rear end of the lathe bed and supports a guide bar uh, pivoted at the center. The bar having graduations in degrees may be swiveled on either side of the zero graduation taper are specified. The taper turning by combining feeds. This is more specialized method of taper turning taper. In certain lathes, both longitudinal and cross feeds may be engaged simultaneously, causing the tool to follow a diagonal path which is the resultant of the magnitude to magnitude of the two feeds. Varying the rate of feeds by changing gears provided inside the apron may change the direction of the resultant. Thank you, Anand.